How much does a Rheem furnace cost? I think I need a new furnace, and I like what I've read about the brand.
It costs a fair bit more than a Ruud furnace.
I don't want a Ruud. Cheap brands like Ruud and American Standard and Goodman fall apart after 3 or 4 years, whereas a Rheem lasts 10 years if you maintain it.
The irony is that Ruud and Rheem are made by the same company.
So Ruud is what they put on the units that fail Rheem's quality standards. That means the Rheem units are better.
You pay for the quality. You pay more for higher efficiency and greater BTUs.
So what do they actually cost?
A 90,000 British thermal units 95% AFUE rated natural gas Rheem furnace is $1,600 on sale. A 120,000 95% AFUE furnace is $2,100.
I saw a 45,000 British thermal units 95% AFUE furnace for around $1,600 online.
If you're willing to go with lower efficiency, an 80% AFUE furnace with 100,000 BTUs is around $1,200. And be careful ordering HVAC items online, since you may lose the warranty due to an irregular source and all the defects can be blamed on shipping.
I like the capacity of 100k British thermal unit, but not the variation in prices. A higher volume unit doesn't seem like it should be so cheap.
The price is going to depend on who is selling it, whether the unit is on sale and demand for it.
If the price is low because the units aren't so hot, I don't want it. I know prices would go up with the first snowfall, and people realize their old furnaces went kaput.
You'll pay more for 2-stage furnaces, since the second stage costs more just due to additional equipment. You pay more for more advanced computer boards.
I know you pay more for natural gas furnaces than electric ones because natural gas units are more complicated. It isn't just a heating element with a fan attached.
You pay more for installation too, since they have to connect the hot air vents as well as natural gas exhaust ducts.
How much is installation?
Installation may cost as much as the furnace itself. Or more, if they have to cut holes in walls and add ducting.
How much are the cheaper furnaces?
The Rheem 120,000 95% AFUE furnace was around $2,000. Goodman 70,000 British thermal units furnaces are half that cost, so around half the capacity for half the cost.
I can't afford the endless repair bills of a Goodman furnace. Nor do I want to be climbing down the basement every night to hit the reset button when the control board is on the fritz.
That $1,000 Goodman is theoretically 95% AFUE.
Only because it doesn't work half the time, lowering fuel usage.
And remember that the upflow and downflow furnaces are standard, but the ones you can put at a weird angle cost more too.
But that might be worth it if I don't have to cut more holes and struts to install it.